Straight out of the Basilica. All Saints Radio. A new way to be inspired, uplifted, and motivated to be more and do more. All Saints Radio. A positive way to express your faith and share the love of God in your community. All Saints Radio with D-Mac.
You're checking out All Saints Radio. My name is Derek Mack, and every week at this time, it's the ASR interview with D-Mac. This week's guest is one of the greats. You know him from Deep Space 5, one of the most influential hip-hop collectives, including my man Manuel, DJ Dust from Mars Ill, Seth Static from the Tunnel Rats. You can't have Deep Space 5 without my man Sivion, who, by the way, is our guest this week. What's going on, Siv?
How y'all feeling? Good to be here.
We're so excited to have you on the program. It's always good to have somebody who helped build the foundation of CHH, along with some of the greats, as we've just run off the name drop list, as we say. But it's important that people know that, A, you've been doing this for a long time, and B, CHH didn't start like 10 years ago. It goes back 30 years. But
right.
We'll save that for then. Let's get to you right about now. Where is Jesus finding you these days?
Man, Jesus finds me just pouring into the gifts that he has placed in my children. You know, right now I got a daughter that's 11 and she's a producer. She makes beats. As a dad, that's like hitting a jackpot. You're an MC right, and your daughter makes beats. So,
yeah,
you know, just really kind of honing in on that craft and pouring into her and not just saying, oh, well, this is a cute little hobby. So just like, you know, surrounding her with mentors and people that can like bring her up, you know, in what she's talented at. And then my son, you know, he's 17, he's going to graduate. So just trying to enjoy every ounce of time, you know, with him and his goofy self. He's a pretty talented person as well. He's kind of like a comedian, but he also raps. You know, as an MC, as an artist, you know, when your kids are doing something in the arts, you get a little bit of a proud father moment. And my wife has been awesome just creating opportunities for them to grow and develop in those talents. And it's funny, you know, you would think as the dad that's have rap career for 20 years that I'd be the one that pushed them into it, but I didn't. You know, I exposed them to it, and then they just kind of gravitated, and they tried a whole bunch of other different things, and that's where they like landed. And I was like, whoa. So yeah, Jesus has just been telling me to just pour into my family. In the last 20 years that I've been with my wife, I have not been able to pour into my family, and he's just creating a whole new season in my life where it's just all about his praise, all about transparency, being real with my kids, being real with my wife, and just going on the journey together and not having each member of my family have their own like separate piece of the journey. It's like we're walking this thing together, which is amazing.
ASR rocks version 1 of Telecom from the 3 remix pack that you released earlier, but I want you to share a little bit about your contribution to the Soul Design compilation.
Yes, my man Josh, you know, obviously he runs Sphere of Hip Hop and Elect Recordings. Me and Josh have been pretty close friends for a really long time, and you know, anytime he's doing something, I know this project, Soul Design, has a social aspect to it. It's not just, hey, here's some dope music. It's actually serving a purpose of getting some good music to benefit a certain foundation and at-risk kids. It's a really cool project because it has a purpose, not just Christian raps out on iTunes. For me to get the title track, which was really cool, you know, that obviously just kind of happened. I can't even take credit for that. We had this one hot track that he had that, you know, just kind of was sitting around for a little bit, and I was like, man, I need to bring this back. You know, this style, this kind of this feel-good, you know, maybe ode to Common style, like let's just get everybody hyped and get up in that Soul Design. So I recorded a track and showed it to Josh, and he was like, love it. You know, and then I gave it to him and didn't hear anything about what was happening with that track for a little while. And then all of a sudden, it's like, boom, first single for this project, putting it out. You know, y'all start, you know, helping promote it. And so I was honored that, and then he told me the whole project was called Soul Design. I was like, oh, word.
We're about to drop that track right about now, so let's get you to do the intro on it, all right?
Yeah, what up, everybody? This is Sivion, Deep Space 5, your favorite local neighborhood happy rapper. And this song is called Soul Design, trying to get up in your soul and kind of rework the design of how things are based on the spirit. So y'all enjoy it.
Yeah, got me cool in the place, Sivion with the grace. Man, it's good to be here with my mellow, my ace. Solution. On this break, let me give you a taste of that smoothed out boom back bump in your face. We let it groove and it move when the record rotates. Cause we the dudes in the mood when we wrecking both plates. Get a clue for your lose, born to win a close chase. You choose but to snooze on the floor with most race. Cause they do it all in hate. Anyway, so watch me cool out. Soak up the soul, no need to ever pull your tool out. Lose it till you get this grooving out. Become the music, feel the stress moving out. Cause it's really about life when you keep it in flight. Some people focus on wrong, just trying to be right. Some people focus on death till they ready to fight. But when we step up in the jam, we just fill it with life. Yo, cause this vibe's gone out of its mind. And this beat is complete with the soul design. So just get out your seat, this light is so divine. Party people stick around so we can blow your mind. Yo, cause this vibe's gone out of its mind. And this beat is complete with the soul design. So just get out your seat, this light is so divine. Party people stick around so we can blow your mind. Yeah, that's the ticket. You see how we do, providing these tasty vibes just for you. We keep these rhymes positive for the few people living this life for Christ to be the new people. I mean the new sequel, better than the first. With the spirit in this music, we came to break the curse. The old man is dead and they put him in a hearse. If you start to catch this fever, just turn away the nurse. You can't benefit from medical attention when the spirit of the living God starts to living in. Got you mentioning fruits of the mission, changing up your evil ways and bad intention. And got you wishing for the best for your brothers and sisters. Listen to the words of this minister. I'm never sinister when I create the music. Pound the sound with love so everybody here can use it. Cause this vibe's gone out of its mind. And this beat is complete with the soul design. So just get out your seat, this light is so divine. Party people stick around so we can blow your mind. Yo, cause this vibe's gone out of its mind. And this beat is complete with the soul design. So just get out your seat, this light is so divine. Party people stick around so we can blow your mind. Blow your mind.
What's good? I'm Derek Mack from All Saints Radio. Connect to me on the ASR socials for dates and airtimes of the nationally syndicated All Saints Radio. Hashtag it, All Saints Radio.
All Saints Radio. No doubt. All Saints Radio.
Y'all already know how we move.
All Saints Radio.
Yes, sir.